today I've really tried to go closer to where the mountain is, and I'm at the base where the forests zimeanza za Mount Kenya. This is in Rumoru, by the way, and you can see the mountain from this angle. It's not very visible because ile msitu yenye iko chini hapa haiwezi kuachika kwa visible vizuri, but you can see part of it. There it is, hapo. Yes, part of it is there, and it's very well visible. Even the rocks where the sunshine inafika sai wenye tunaenda kufika the end of the day, and the indigenous trees, you know, those very original pines. And pines are cedar, ni cedar, I don't know, lakini yeah, the type of trees that you don't normally find mahali pengine. But the view of the mountain from this place is just awesome. It's just awesome. Nimekuwa hizi pande za Rumoru around some certain school up. That's how I'm viewing it from. But sasa from every part you can view a different angle of it. You go to the other part, unapata another different angle of it. But where we are, it's like a field next to where the forest has started. Penye forest imeanzia. Because hapa ndio forest imeanzia. Ikiendanga hivyo kuna kanjia yenye watu wanatumia hapa. It's maram, ni maram, but ni kama inaenda ikisonga hivyo mpaka inakupeleka huko. There's some resorts there, like nimeona Land Kenya or something like that resort. Yeah, so there's a way you can access the place from this area. Hii barabara iko kwa highway ya kwenda Nanyuki, alafu sasa una branch hivi ni kama ndo naingia na side na Rumoru Girls. So the place where you branch from is called Karichen. Wakikuyu nao, unajua sasa hizi zingine zilikuwa majina za tribes zingine, lakini Wakikuyu nao wanaifanya ndio sawa kama vile ambavyo wanaielewa. So this is where we are. This is part of the mountain. It really looks, inakaa vizuri sana. Poleni, ni upepo inafanya. Ulimi nateleza. So it looks amazing from this side. Even the rocks are visible. Some parts where the sunshine is getting to right now. Yani inamulika vizuri yani. Naona tu vizuri, lakini baridi nayo. Yes, that's what it is. Look at it. Yeah, that is part of the Mount Kenya. It's just a recap. We had done this. We had done another video on this one, but you can never get enough of this. This is the one thing that your eyes can never get tired of looking at. Na leo hata tumekaribia kiasi, but the peaks zimefunikwa na mawingu. I think it's raining. The other side, unajua tuko ile leeward side, ile side nyingine ya Meru ni kama kunanyesha. So kidogo imefunikwa. But here it is. See the environment around. Angalia tu mpaka miti tu inakuambia afya yenye iko naye na kuonyesha tuko kwa base kabisa. Look at this. The environment is just amazing. It's just a nice place. You chillax, trees and everything surrounding you, you know. Really nice. Even the architectural designs of the houses. Angalia hiyo roofing ya hiyo. Are they gables or what? I don't know. Wacha nisijaibisha hapa. I'm not an architect, but I'm fascinated by structures like this one. The natural look of it. It has a cottage kind of look. The cottages, you know, the fairy tale stories. Angalia hiyo roofing. Yeah, just how they used to do the houses. Juu ya hii baridi. Hapa by the way masaa ingine ikifika saa ni saa 11 inaenda kusimama. Ikifika 7-8 ukiwa hapa. You just want to bisha sasa kama huko. Waambie hodi nipateni tukachai. Please, and let me warm myself a bit by your fireplace. So that's it for today. I just wanted to give you a little touch of what I'm experiencing today. As in this afternoon, tumekuwa na experience ingine. Sasa hii ni mahali mzuri sana kwanza na Ivalsa. Ukakuja hapa, especially vile forma zitokeleze, you know how the economy is, You know how the economy is, Hii mwaka. Lakini tunatarajia itafunga vizuri. So, you can vibe to the nature around you. Kama there's not much to do, vibe to the nature around you, you know. Nature heals. Tuseme nature heals.